Hey, iPhone fans! Welcome to Eassiy Official. Ready to become an iPhone wizard? Today we're diving into the ultimate step-by-step guide to locking and unlocking your iPhone screen. Whether you're a seasoned tech guru or just getting started, this tutorial will have you locking and unlocking your screen like a pro in no time. Easy way to lock and wake up your iPhone. Try these simple ways to lock your iPhone. Way 1. Simply press the side button or top button on older models to lock your iPhone. Way 2. Enable Assistive Touch in Settings. Accessibility. Touch. Assistive Touch, then tap the Assistive Touch button and choose Lock Screen. Way 3. You can also set up Auto Lock in Settings. Display and Brightness. Auto Lock to have your iPhone lock automatically after a specific period. For Wake Up iPhone. Way 1. Press the side button or top button on older models to wake up your iPhone. Way 2. Use Raise to Wake by enabling it in Settings. Display and Brightness. Raise to wake, then simply lift your iPhone. Way 3. Tap the screen, available on iPhone X and later, to wake up your iPhone. Best way to unlock iPhone without passcode. If you've forgotten your iPhone iPad password, use Passixer Unlocker Unlocker to crack the lock screen without the password. It has helped 6 million users unlock their devices. The software can erase lock passwords, bypass iCloud activation locks, delete Apple IDs, unblock screen time, remove iTunes backup passwords, and eliminate MDM. First, download Passixer Unlocker from the official website and install it on your PC or Mac. After that, connect your locked iPhone to your computer. Select the Wipe Passcode function on the home page. Once Passixer detects your iPhone or iPad, the information about your iPhone will be displayed on the screen, so make sure to check it. Next, click on the Start button to download a firmware package for unlocking the iPhone. Once the firmware package is installed, click on the Next button to regain access to your locked iPhone. Passixer Unlocker will prompt you to enter 0000 to confirm the unlock, and then it will immediately help you remove the screen lock from your iPhone. How to turn off iPhone lock screen. To adjust your iPhone's lock screen settings, start by tapping the Settings app on your home screen. Then, scroll down and choose Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode on older models. You'll have to input your current passcode to access these settings. After that, scroll down again and tap Turn Passcode Off. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure that you want to turn off the passcode. Confirm your choice and you're all set. If you need further assistance, feel free to ask for help. Thank you for watching our video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We appreciate your support.